All right, so here's going to be the first toss for these young birds. We are late in the year, but I don't know that I'm going to get to race this year anyway. But kind of late in the morning too. But kids got to be dropped off at school, so it's not too bad. And I only live maybe about half a mile from here, so it shouldn't be too bad for these birds once they get up in the air. But they've been sitting here settling down for a couple of minutes, and so we're gonna open them up and let them see if they can get home. All right, they are away.